The German Research Center for Geosciences (GFG) reported a magnitude 3.2 quake in Austria near Salzburg only 8 minutes ago. The earthquake hit late at night on Friday, 25th February 2022 at 10:18 p.m. local time at a shallow depth of 10 km. A second report was later issued by the citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, which lists it is a magnitude 3.2 earthquake as well. A third agency, the European Mediterranean Seismological Center (EMSC), reported the same quake at magnitude 3.3. The quake was probably felt by many people in the area of the epicenter. It should not have caused significant damage other than objects falling from shelves, broken windows, etc. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thanks.